Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux Compact condensing dryer and on the display you're getting an ExF6 error and you're trying to figure out what the error is and what do you need to do to fix it. So first things first, the ExF6 error is an error that the control board sends up saying there's a fault on the control board, on the electronic control board, and I need to be replaced. So most of the time, if you get this error, you're going to need to replace the electronic control board, and I will go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial on how to actually replace the electronic control board. But before you do that, there's a couple cheaper things that you should try to do and fast things. First, is to try to do a hard reset on your dryer. So turn it off, disconnect it from power for a full 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes is up, you can restore power, and hopefully that'll clear the error out. If the error persists, you can move on to accessing the control board via the tutorial that I put in the description. But before you actually replace it, you can check the wiring behind it for anything that's disconnected, that's loose, that's frayed, anything like that, that's crossed, because wiring issues can also cause these problems, and they are cheaper to deal with than the actual control board. You can replace and repair them as necessary. If the wiring all looks good, then you can move on to actually replacing the control board.